Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your sharper image heating pad suddenly stops responding, feels stuck on certain settings, or simply is not behaving the way it normally does, a quick reset may help refresh everything. Sometimes the controller seems unresponsive, while other times the heating pad powers on but does not adjust temperature correctly. Small interruptions in power or settings can sometimes affect normal operation, making it seem like something major changed when the device may only need a quick restart process. The best part is that resetting a sharper image heating pad usually only takes a few moments once you know the order. Let's go through an easy way to reset a sharper image heating pad. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the sharper image heating pad and disconnect it from the power source briefly. Step 2. Check the controller connection attached to the sharper image heating pad and make sure it fits securely. Step 3. Wait a short moment before reconnecting the sharper image heating pad to power again. Step 4. Turn on the sharper image heating pad and test different heat settings to refresh operation. Step 5. Place the sharper image heating pad flat while checking if the controls begin responding normally. Step 6. Monitor the sharper image heating pad for a few minutes and confirm normal heating returns again.